2023 GMC Sierra 1500. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. It includes ample space for all passengers and comes with the following: cross-traffic alert, lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Adventure is calling for you. Drive it home today.